welcome to Maths with Ish. Now I just want to make this video to correct some of the common errors I see students make. Okay, so I have three examples on the board here. The first one is on AP, the second one is on GP, and then the third one is on exponent. So let's look at the errors that the students normally exhibit. Now, when it comes to AP, I discovered that getting the common difference, which is symbolized as D, is sometimes a problem to students. Now, the proper way to get it is to use the formula Tn minus 1. Now, let me just explain this. This Tn here stands for any of the term, okay? And then this Tn minus 1 stands for the term that precedes it, that is the term that comes before it. So we have this term, this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and so on and so forth. So this can be likened as our T1, T2 for second term, T3 for third term, T4 for fourth term, T5 for fifth term, and so on. So this Tn I say represents any of the terms. So if I take this term, this third term now, which is 20, I subtract the term that precedes it, the one that comes before it, and that is what? Second term, which is 23. And so our common difference is minus 3. I know some students will see this and say that the common difference is 3. No, the common difference is actually minus 3 and not 3. Now let's go to this other one. This other one also, this is a GP. So a GP doesn't have a common difference. What a GP has is common ratio. GP stands for geometric progression, in case you're hearing for the first time, while AP stands for arithmetic progression. Now for a GP, another common error is for students to call this common ratio as 3. No. Now this is how to get the common ratio. The common ratio is Tn divided by Tn minus 1. Of course, I've explained to you what Tn stands for, any of the term, and then Tn minus 1, the term that precedes it or that comes before it. So if I take any of the term now, let's assume I take this term here, which is 3, that is my Tn. The term that comes before it is 9. So I can choose to take this term, 27. The term that comes before it is this, is 81. And any of the term you take, by the time you simplify everything, you discover that you reduce it to the nearest term, you get 1 over 3. Okay? You get 1 over 3. This one also gives you 1 over 3 by the time you simplify it. Because this cancel this is 1 over 3, this cancel this, 1 over 3. Okay, so that is the common ratio and not 3. Now for this one, this exponent, some students also write this as 4 times 3, which is also not accurate. The exponent, the power tells you that the base repeats, multiply itself, okay, according to the number of the power. So this means 4 times 4 times 4. That's what this means. It doesn't mean 4 times 3, okay? So take note, anytime you see a power, the power tells you how many times the base is multiplying itself. Okay, so our final answer to this is 64, because 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. I hope you've gained value from this video. Do have a great day, and please kindly follow us on all our channels and pages, okay? Have a great day. Bye.